I'm Yonah Bookstein, and I believe that young Jews are passionate about being part of the Jewish community and creating a vibrant Jewish future. I believe in uniting Jews from around the country, around the spectrum. And it was because of that that we brought together a group of people and we created Jewlicious Festival in a garage in Long Beach. And 6 years later, 1,000 people will gather together and they will celebrate just being Jewish with art, music, and culture. They believe passionately in social justice. They want to be involved in movements for social change. But they also care deeply about their Jewish community. They care about the Jewish future and they want to be a part of it. But they want to find a place where they can make being Jewish their own. My work at J-Connect LA and Jewlicious is to make that happen every single day. I believe passionately in the Jewish future, and young people are the inspiration.